Okay, so we got this situation. A person forgets his 4-digit ATM pin. Okay, so there is 4-digit ATM pin. Let's say A, B, C, D. But he remembers that in the code, all the digits are different. All are different. Okay, the greatest digit is 7. Greatest digit is 7. Okay, and the sum of first two digit is equal to the sum of last two digit. Yes, so can I say that A plus B will be equal to C plus D? Okay. Then the maximum number of trials necessary to obtain the correct code is. So they are talking about maximum number of trial. If they will talk about minimum number, there will be only one case, no. So we want maximum number of trials. So we want to find out all the cases which follows this condition. Okay. Now look at this. Suppose that the greatest number is 7. Okay, and you have digits from 0 to 9. है ना? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know that you cannot use 8 or 9. Okay, because the maximum digit is 7 only. So you have this many choices. And you can use digit only once. So look at this. What would be the maximum sum? So can the sum would be 7? Yes. If I'll use A as 7, B as 0, yes, sum is 7 is yes. Can we go with 8? 7 and 1? 8, yes. 7 and 2? 9. Okay. Then 7 and 3? 10. Okay, yes, 10 we can use because 6, 4 is okay. Then 7 and 11? 7 and 11 is also okay because 7, 4 is 11 and 6, 5 is 11. Now you cannot go beyond this one because if you'll use 12, okay, so you need to use 6 two times, which is not allowed. You have to use single digits, okay, and also otherwise you have to take 8 and 4, and 8 is restricted again. So this sum is okay. Now think about this case. If the sum is 7, what would be the case? The case would be 7 and 0. Now over there case would be what? Case would be 1, 6, correct? Then 5, 2, then 4, 3. Okay. Now you have to change the order. Okay, so it would be 3, 4, 5, 2 and 6 and 1. Okay, so corresponding to 7 we have 6 cases. Now move on to next case. Sum is 8. So if sum is 8, 7 and 1 would be the choice. ठीक है? Then 2, 6, 2, 6, 8, 5, 4, नहीं 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 8. 4, 4 you cannot use. Okay, so done. So you will move on to 3 and 5. Correct? And then 6 and 2. So we got 4 cases corresponding to the sum 8. Now move on to the next case. Suppose that sum is 9. Okay, so if sum is 9, what would be the case? Case would be 7 with 2. Okay, 7 with 2 is 9. So it is 3 and 6, 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5, and then no other cases. So you have to go with 5 and 4 and 6 and 3. So we got 4 more cases. Now look at this. We can go with sum. Wait a second. Sum is 10. So 7 and 3, we cannot repeat the numbers. Okay, that's why we are doing this one. So 7, 3. So can we go with 4 and 6, 10? है ना? And you cannot go with 5 and 5. No other cases is allowed. Okay, so we can go with 6 and 4. Correct? Now go with 11. Sum 11. So 7 and 4 and 5 and 6, 6 and 5. More 2 cases. Correct, wrong? Okay, so this many cases we got. Now required number. Now be focused little bit. So corresponding to 7, we have how many choices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 cases we got. And also you can flip, means you can flip this way, means here we are focusing, no, in this side we want 70, in this side we want 16, means 7 is staying here. Here non 7 digits are staying, so I can switch on the switch on the places, means I'll put 7 here, 7 wala number here, and these two things here. Can I do so? Yes, I can. Okay, so we got 6 cases this in this way. So if we will switch, means keep this thing this side, this thing that side. Acha, we will do it later. So we got 6 cases here. Now next case is 4. Next case is again 4. Next case is 4 again, let's say 4. Okay, so can I say that it is, can I say that it is, जाओ भाई इधर तुम. Okay, now look at this. This is not the required answer. Okay, so this is 18. Now try to understand. We have to do something. First, can we switch on the places? Okay, means 7 wala digit this side, 7 wala digit this side. Okay, so for that we will have two cases. And also you must have observed here you have taken both the combination. You have taken 1 and 6, you have taken 6 and 1, but you haven't taken 0 and 7 case. So here also you can flip these situations, no? So 2 for that. Okay, so there will be 72 trials will be required to get the correct code. Okay,